Namaste. Seva, meaning service, is at the heart of our nation's ethos. It signifies selfless dedication to the greater good of nation building and inspires all of us to collectively work towards the effort of nation building. Inspired by the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister, this reminds us that every act of service contributes to India's journey of self-reliance, empowerment and progress. From 17th September till 2nd of October, MNRE organized Seva Parv and did a massive outreach campaign all over the country in its effort to promote clean energy and promoting self-reliance. During this period, awareness and capacity building workshops on PM-KUSUM, PM Surya Ghar were taken up in various states and with thousands of stakeholders. Within this period, the department also achieved a lot of milestones, some of which are as follows. The Honorable Prime Minister inaugurated about 3.5 gigawatt, that is 3,500 megawatt of PM-KUSUM projects, which is worth about 16,000 crore. In addition, he laid the foundation stone as well as inaugurated a lot of utility scale solar projects in different parts of the country, which will be nearly about 3.5 gigawatt capacity. We also installed 2 lakh pumps. These pumps were solarized during this 15 days period. In addition, under PM Surya Ghar, more than 1 lakh projects got subsidies and about subsidies worth about 8.2 crore were released to more than 1 lakh of beneficiaries under PM Surya Ghar's rooftop solarization program. We also had launching of the solar potential of the country, wherein as against our earlier estimate of about 740 gigawatt of solar potential, the revised estimate of 3,300 gigawatt of solar potential was launched by Honorable Minister of MNRE. We also launched the solar rooftop city accelerator programs in different parts of the country, including in Goa. So all this goes on to show that with collective efforts, India's transition to net zero goal is definitely possible. And in this context, I would like to thank all those who remain associated with MNRE and who believed in the ambition of our journey towards clean and green energy in our country. I thank all those who contributed to the success of this particular initiative, and the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy will contribute to work diligently in the spirit of Seva, driving the nation forward on its path of sustainable development. Thank you and Jai Hind.